Hey folks, I'm Phil. Thanks for checking out the channel. I've been taking a couple of videos here lately and trying to figure out how to put some sound to it. It's been 2 trials and errors, and I think the 3rd time's the charm. Anyways, yeah, so I'm Phil. I'm actually here in southern New Brunswick, based out of Quispam, Sis, just outside of St. John. But yeah, today I figured I'd take you guys out for a little spin. I'll actually hop on the Kingston ferry, and I think from out here we'll hang a quick left and kind of go around a little bit, check out the scenery, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, lucky around here we got a double ferry system. They're both cable ferries. They actually run along here pretty well 24/7. I think at nighttime they're down to 1, but it's enough to keep everyone moving. Water seems a little calmer today than it did yesterday. I did take a video yesterday, but again, no such luck on the audio. So hoping today's a little bit better. Thank you. I get to my favorite spot on the boat. Yeah, folks, this is a good spot. Can't believe how calm the water is. It's actually mid-afternoon here. Usually it's a little windier, a little choppier, but today has been kind of calm all day. So yeah, we're just gonna follow the peninsula loop. Not sure how far we'll go today on this trek, but we'll go a little ways anyways. And here we go. And these ferry rides here in New Brunswick are free of charge. They let you travel around, enjoy the scenery. There's actually early fall foliage. Yeah, definitely worth the trip. Thank you. Alright folks, here we go. This is actually my first time trying to talk into my helmet and talking to anyone. It's kind of interesting. Like I said, I did try to do a couple of videos over the last, well, one yesterday anyways. Yesterday was a beautiful ride, and I got home all excited, thinking everything was going to work out well. I started looking at the video and there's no audio. Anyways, figured, you know what, I think I figured it out. So we'll try this today. The weather's holding up. They're calling for a chance of rain this afternoon, and looks like it's holding off quite nicely. So yeah, the Kingston Peninsula. It's actually a fun ride, or a fun drive. As you can see, just absolutely amazing views, the sights. The whole peninsula actually is surrounded pretty well by, well, water. And I'm definitely drawn to the water for traveling. Yeah, most of the time I just end up getting on the bike. I'd like to say it's somewhat planned, but most of the time it's just when an opportunity kind of comes up, chance to get out, get some fresh air, check out some natural beauty. I work shift work, so it allows me to actually take a couple of good cruises too when there's not too much traffic, I guess. Yeah, so just to give you guys a little bit of info about myself, I am a fairly newish motorcycle person, rider. I got my license just in 2018, so just a few years under my belt now. And yeah, so I ended up I've been interested in bikes for a while now. I always thought how neat it would be, and never really had enough gumption, I guess, to get one. And then a friend of mine ended up getting himself a KLR 650, and that was a switch for me, because I've always thought wonders about exploring a little bit more, and I've always enjoyed the woods. So getting a chance to really check out some scenery and hit a couple of dirt trails. Nothing too crazy, of course, but just fun enough to, you know, push my boundaries a little bit. And that's exactly what the KLR did for him. So of course that really helped me decide that this was the right move for me too. So he helped me find this one. So I ended up buying the bike, and it was the end of February of 2018. I signed up for the course, took the course in May of 2018, and I'd like to say I've been hooked ever since. So this one here is a 2014 KLR 650. It had only a few thousand kilometers on it when I first bought it, and where I'm at now is 16,000. So yeah, happily put on 3,000 or 4,000 clicks a year. Probably could or should be more, but you know what, for me, for now, this is hitting the spot. Quite beautiful around here. One of the things I like the most about this particular ride is that it kind of opens up a couple of different times. Then you get to see this. And as much as I enjoy a dirt road in the woods, there's just something that draws me to the water. I don't have a boat or anything. I've never had a boat. Got a couple of kayaks, and that's good enough for us for now. I'm not sure if it's an element of calmness that comes along with the water, or just the idea of it, but I like it. So if you watch so many of my other videos, I am just kind of starting off with the whole, I don't know, vlogging or taking videos, and, well, today, talking. I think this will be a fun challenge for me and a fun experience. I hope you guys enjoy the scenery as much as I do. I think we'll try to get to a couple of spots today and chill out a little bit. So there we go. We hit a covered bridge, and now we hit a little lighthouse. Oh, these rides are awesome. Yeah, often you never really know what you're gonna hit. I mean, I've seen these before, and you always kind of forget sometimes where they're at, but oh, that's awesome.